खण वाठारांतल्या लोकांक जाय जाय त्यो सगळ्यो सुविधा मेळोवन दिवपाचो यत्न करतले अशें उतर गोंयचे मिनरल फावंडेशनान दिलां. फावंडेशनाचो मुखेल कार्यकारी अधिकारी स्वामीनाथन श्रीधर कुडचड्यार मिडिया कडेन उलयतालो. फावंडेशनान खण वाठारांत 15 बंधारे आनी 35 बालवाडी बांदल्यात. गोंयचे मिनरल फावंडेशन हे संस्थेक 12 वर्सां पुराय जाल्यात.
35 Balwadi, which is almost the cost of Balwadi created, as I informed earlier, along with the detail of the educational aids, play equipment. The total will be around 2.8 crores for all 35 Balwadi. And Bandara also, we have taken around Bandara, around 15 Bandara, and we have spent around a crore of rupees on Bandara. Again, I am saying Bandara, this year we have a ambitious scheme of reviving agriculture and irrigation, wherein we want to take a user group along with us and make it self-sustaining, not for a year, at least for year to coming, and also a mechanism of maintenance mechanism. This is exactly what we are going to do it for the coming years.
प्राथमिक स्तरार आमी एक 15 अंगणवाडी तातूंत भितर सिलेक्ट केल्या आनी तातूंत आमी गेले वर्सभर काम केलां आनी तातूंतल्यान आमकां बरे रिजल्ट मेळ्ळा आनी ते आतां आमी धारबांदोडा तालुका क्षेत्रार राबोवपाक सोदता ह्या वर्सा खातीर.
GCCन येता त्या मंगळारा उद्देग वाठारांतल्या कर्मचाऱ्यांक लागून आशिल्ल्या कामगार फॅक्टरीज कायदे, कामगार निधी आनी हेर कांय म्हत्वाच्या विशयांचेर एक परिसंवाद दवरला. कामगार मंत्री आवेर्तान फुर्ताद आनी मजूर सचिव DC साहू ह्या परिसंवादाक आसतले. GCCचे सुरेंद्र बाबू टिमलो हॉलांत सकाळीं 10 वरांचेर परिसंवादाक सुरवात जातली.
We always have an interaction with the government officials, and a very important subject is that of employers and employees relation. Now there are several things. Although we are employers, we also take due cognizance of the employees' rights and the employees' needs, and what are the rules that are regulating them. And sometimes, the government departments themselves, they are found wanted. Now if these things are to be cleared off, it is always better to have a straightforward approach, and because of this we hold open house sessions. One such open house session has been planned on 24th of this month.
What are those areas where we can suggest that these can be done away with? Inspectors or inspections, too many licenses, too many permissions. So these things can be done away with. You will be amazed to know there is one law still which was made in 1923, much before anyone was born here. 1923, the Workmen's Compensation Act, and those laws are now completely out of sync. So some of those laws are central government laws, some of those rules are now the state government are empowered to make rules under those laws. So we said, why not tell the state government that we suggest that you have an industrial code or a labor code for the state of Goa. You would have most certainly noted that the economic survey of the state points out to a slipping industry situation. The manufacturing situation is coming down. The industrial production index is coming down. Only last year, about 5,341 new employments have been created in middle and large sector of industries. So we want industries to grow, and we can't do that unless the main factor of industries is the labor and industrial relations. So that's the main factor. Industrial relations have to be harmonic, have to be peaceful, ambience have to be good. They have to catalyze the growth of industry in Goa.
BPS राज्य टेनिस सर्तींत अंडर 16 गटांत वस्ताद थारिल्ले तेजस शेवडेक वरिष्ठ गटांत उपवस्तादपणाचेर समाधान मानचें पडलें. फायनलींत तेजसाक बोकाला फ्लोआदान हरयलो. फाटलीं 10 वर्सां जालीं BPS क्लब ही वर्सुकी सर्त घेता.
I'm very happy to win actually because it was a very interesting tournament, so I'm happy to win it. I think I didn't play really well because I have not played for the past 3 months because of exams, but still, it was a very good tournament. He played very well, but I think he got an injury, that's why. Yeah. It was a very good match.
I only coached my son also, Tejas Shevde. I had coached him for all these things. He has won the under 16 boys also. Yesterday the final was played and he has won very comfortably with Siddharth Nonis.
So regarding today's final match,
Today Buki of course outplayed Tejas, no doubt about it. He is a good player. Initially Tejas started with good this thing. He broke Buki's serve. He was leading 2-0 but then could not keep his lead because of lack of little experience. And Buki has got much better serves and much better power. And good placement, good accuracy, no doubt about it.
Tejas had any injuries?
Yeah, during the match he had little this thing. He twisted his leg, so it was difficult for him to continue the next match. But still, I asked him whether you want to forfeit the match. He said no, I want to play.
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसत जाल्यार आमचे www.com प्रुडंट मिडिया आनी ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा वा www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकाउंटाचेर मेळटल्यो. इतल्यान खबरांचेर हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावत प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.